everyone, this is Tyva, and today's coupon shopping will be done at Dollar General as well as Family Dollar. This video is especially for people who want to learn how to coupon shop, especially with Dollar General and Family Dollar. So right now we're at Dollar General. Check the description box below this video for more tips and steps. One of the first things you need to do is make sure you download the Dollar General app. And you want to go into the app and clip your coupon, because your clipped coupons are saved under your phone number that you register with when you create your account with the Dollar General app. So I'm walking through the store now. What you want to look for is a single can of Febreze, and make sure that can costs $3.25. So I'm going to show you how to do it in the app. When you go into your app, you're going to click the little scanner. It should be at the top right of your app, and I'll show it to you in the next video. But look for a single can like that. Click start scanning and make sure your Febreze rings up at $3.25, like so. $3.25. So after that, we're going to go to the front. Once we put our phone number in, it should pull up your discount. And another thing that I want you to look at is the DG digital coupon and the MFG digital coupon. That's manufacturer's digital coupon. In other videos, I'm going to be teaching you how to stack coupons, and these two terminologies are very important for you to know and understand. Now, here's my important tip for this shop. Make sure your manufacturer's coupon of $2.30 for the Febreze is clipped in your Dollar General app. If your coupon is not clipped in your Dollar General app, you will not be able to take advantage of this savings. So let's take a look at our receipt. It shows the Febreze at $3.25 minus our $2.30 manufacturer coupon. It shows the tax. It's going to tax the full price of the item instead of the discounted price, so that kind of sucks. But it shows that the price after taxes was $1.18. And between the two long lines, it shows your amount of coupon savings and which coupons, the manufacturer, the store coupons and such. That's where you're going to see that on the receipt. So we're heading into Family Dollar today to do a quick, easy shop. This shop is beginners friendly, and I think you all will enjoy it. So now we're looking for the single can of Febreze, and I'm going to use my app to see which one we can get for the most reasonable. So what I'm about to do is make sure in my Family Dollar app my coupon for $2.30 is clipped so that I'm able to take advantage of these savings. So I type in the search bar Febreze so I can find my coupon, and I see that I have it clipped. You see it says coupon clipped. So now what I'm going to do in my Family Dollar app is click that scanner, because I saw one that was for $2.75, but it looks like they don't have any more on the shelf. So I'm going to scan this strawberry one because it smells great. And I want to see the $2.75 one. They didn't have any more of the lilac on the shelf. So I would have to go with the $3.25 can, which is the strawberry. So I'm going to get this one. And I went ahead and tried to check the price of some other ones to see if they ring up the same. That one smelled pretty good as well. So, yep, I can use either one of those for the coupon. So when you get to the register, make sure you tell the cashier you want to put your phone number in, because that is how you get access to your discounts. And here's our total. So this Febreze was also $1.18. That was 95 cents plus 23 cents tax, and it came up to be $1.18. I hope that you all enjoy this practice shop. If you did everything I told you to do, you saved a total of $4.60 today, and you only spent $2.36 for these two cans of Febreze. I have to double check the coupon dates, but I believe you have up until this Saturday, the 24th, in order to do this shop and get your savings. Comment below if this video was helpful to you or if you have any questions, and also comment if you were able to take advantage of this sale.